Hi there, students. A knave. Knave, beginning with K, but the K is silent. Okay, this is a noun, a countable noun. It's a word to describe a person. So a knave is somebody who's dishonest, a a trickster, a rogue, a villain. But notice this is rather old-fashioned and rather literary. You can also use the word a knave while you're playing cards. The jack, the one with the J, the knave of hearts. He stole some tarts, the jack of hearts. So the knave is also the jack, a playing card. Don't confuse the word knave with a K for the word knave, same pronunciation, without the K, which talks about the centre part of a church, the nave of the church. Okay, but a knave, somebody who's unprincipled, yeah, somebody who's dishonest, somebody who's knavish, who behaves knavishly. But notice this, it's old-fashioned, rather literary as well. Okay, so his knavish behaviour is something that should be criticised by everybody. Okay, so the knave, and not the nave of the church. Yeah. Okay, the knave, either a jack. I think this word knave for jack is much more British. I don't think the Americans use this word for the playing card, the knave of hearts. But well, okay, so an old-fashioned way to show disapproval. Formality, knave. He's a knave. 7 in formality. You could just about use it. I would use it in a formal writing or a semi-formal writing, but no more. And then as to origin, it comes from Proto-Germanic knabo, which means a boy. Okay, so a knave. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Knave with a K.